Oh, my dear friends, do you want like this? Do you want like this, my friends? You want? All this real, this is real money. And I make it real easy and fast. Or maybe you want like this? Today I teach you how I make this money easy and fast. Look at this, my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games and me Shark1xBet if you want this a real working hack for OneWin official website for Lucky Jet game. Look at this. Actual fresh date and fresh time 26 August 23 year. And let's go, I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. Look at this, this is OneWin official website Lucky Jet game. You see? OneWin official website. Flowers. Live chat. Actual fresh date and fresh time 26 August 23 year. And let's go, my friends. I want to show you how it's work. Go to my mobile Android phone. Aviator Predictor application from the Shark1xBet OneWin official website and Lucky Jet game. Just wait a little bit and you see next coefficient when Lucky Jet stop. 1.55. This is next coefficient when Lucky Jet stop. Look at this. Yes, it's worked perfect, my friends. You see that? Okay, I place the next bet and show you how I win money right now. I place a bet. Next coefficient 156. I withdraw money right now. Yes, you see that? Okay, I place the next bet. 5.72, guys. Next coefficient is very big, 5.72. My application, my official Telegram channel, guys, and me, if you want to make money like me. Yes, you see, I win money. It's real work, perfect. It's amazing. Okay, I place the next bet. 4.46, guys. Next coefficient, 4.46. Look at this. Yes, it's amazing. I win money. It's real work, my friends. You see? I win money again. Okay, I place the next bet. Again, big coefficient, guys. It's real cool. You see, 5.49. My official Telegram channel if you want this application for OneWin official website for Lucky Jet games and make money like me. Okay, let's go. Withdraw money. It's amazing, guys. It's real work, perfect. Look at this. This is my history. My history today, you see. Go to the personal account, withdraw money. And I withdraw it to my Visa card. Look at these details, you see. My deposit today, $82 today, deposit. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 26 August 23. If you want to make money like me, my friends, if you want this money, write me in my official Telegram channel, guys. Bye-bye, guys. See you later.